Now, step 2 in the trade selection process is to select a low-risk entry point for our stock purchase using the Keltner channels. Now, once we select a stock that's on a 1-month, 10-month simple moving average buy signal, we want to use those Keltner channels to help us time our entry into the stock trade. Here's a 1-month, 10-month simple moving average price chart for Travelers Insurance, symbol TRV. The black line here is the 1-month price. The blue line is the 10-month simple moving average. And we can see from this chart that Travelers is in a very strong price uptrend as the price trades from lower left to upper right. So very strong price trend. These are the kind of stocks that we focus on for purchasing the stock or purchasing call options. So if you want to participate in this rally by purchasing TRV stock, the question becomes, at what point should you jump in on this rally, this very strong rally? So that's how we use the Keltner channels to help us time our entry into a stock that's in a very strong rally. So we use the Keltner channels to select a low-risk entry point. This is a daily chart of Travelers. The vertical black and red lines is the daily price movement of Travelers stock. Now, the Keltner channels are an overbought, oversold indicator, and there's 3 channels. The upper blue line is the upper channel. The dotted line in the middle is the middle Keltner channel, and the lower line, blue line, is the lower Keltner channel. So there's three channels, and we overlay these 3 channels over the daily price movement of the stock to help us select our entry point. Now, stocks normally trade inside of the channels, and you can see with Travelers, it pretty much stays within inside of these Keltner channels. Now, when a stock is trading near or above the upper channel, the stock is getting overbought and normally trades lower. So we can see the stock traded above the channel, retraced, above the channel, retraced, above the channel, retraced, above the channel, retraced. So there's a pattern there. You can see that when the stock is getting overbought, it normally retraces. So we take advantage of that, and when we wait for the stock to trade below the upper channel. So when the stock is trading below the upper channel, it's no longer overbought, and normally a rally will occur once it's trading below that upper channel. And we can see that there's several buy points here. The stock got overbought, traded below the upper channel, and then rallied, traded below the upper channel, rallied, traded below the upper channel, rallied. So we can see that these Keltner channels have given us several opportunities to enter Travelers stock, which is in a very strong price uptrend. So when a stock trades below the upper channel, it's in the Keltner channel buy zone, and the stock or call option can be purchased. So each one of these circles represents a buy zone for the Keltner channels as the stock is trading below the upper channel. Now, when we buy a stock that's trading in the Keltner channel buy zone, it will increase our odds of getting a low-risk entry as the stock normally rallies when it's trading in the buy zone. So this helps us get a lower risk entry. So in this example, you can see we had One, two, three. We had about 8 opportunities to purchase Travelers when the stock was trading in the Keltner channel buy zone. So this helps us time our entries for stocks that are in a strong price uptrend. Here's a snapshot of um, our stock portfolio, and we used the 10-month simple moving average and the Keltner channels to time our entries, and we currently have $288,000 in open trade profits for our stock portfolio. So this is just strictly stocks. There's no options in this portfolio.